Yo guys, what's up? Today I'll be teaching you how to install TWRP and then root your Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 within 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you'll need to do is get into the download mode. For that, first power off your device and then press the power button, volume down and the home button at the same time. Then you'll be greeted with this screen. Now press the volume up button to skip it. Then connect your tablet to PC via USB data cable and then follow me as I proceed. After you are in your PC, open up your browser. Then go to the first link given in the description. This should take you to Odin's official site. From here, download any version of Odin. For now, I'll download the latest version, that is 3.13.1. Here I am redirected to a download page, so I'll click on download now button under Odin 3.13.1. After you have downloaded Odin, go to the second link in the description. Here we will download the tar.md5 file of custom recovery with TWRP. After you have downloaded both of these, go to the download directory. Now extract the Odin zip file and copy TWRP into the extracted folder. From here, open the executable Odin file. Inside Odin, click on AP and then select the TWRP file. Then go to the options and uncheck auto reboot and hit start. Now that the process is complete, we can exit Odin and get back to our tab for further process. You may now unplug your USB cable, then long press power button, home button and volume up at the same time to boot into the recovery mode. You can see that we have installed TWRP on our tablet successfully. Now, to root your device, you will need to download Superuser from the third link given in the description. You can flash it by clicking on install and then selecting the SuperSU zip file. Now swipe to confirm flash. This usually won't take any longer than 1 minute. After the process is complete, wipe cache and reboot into the system. I've downloaded an app called Root Checker to show that we are rooted. You will also notice a Superuser app in your app drawer. It is used to manage root permissions. Let me open Root Checker and click on Verify Root. This took a little bit of time, I don't know why, so I'm fast forwarding it. I had to grant root permission to the app in between the process. You can see that we do have root access on the device. That was it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to my channel and show some support. Also, if you have any problem, comment it down below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.